Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to paraphrase in QuillBot. So if you ever wanted to quickly learn a certain information, a easier way to do it, there's a specific service that's called a QuillBot that will help you to do it. So it will basically choose the most important words in your text. For example, I have chosen a history of London from the Wikipedia, and I will just insert a particular text into here. And basically what it will do is it will highlight the most important parts of our text so that it's going to be easier for you to remember, right, and paraphrase it. So for example, I will copy all this text from here. And also do not forget that the free version of this website does not allow a very big amount of words and symbols. So for that you will have to buy a subscription and upgrade to premium. So let's just paste our text on the left. So as you can see, I'm already short for symbols. I need to delete some. Okay, now I have enough. So just an example. And now you want to click on paraphrase. It's going to take a bit of time. And as you can see, our text is now paraphrased. And as you can see, our text is now changed. And the most important things are highlighted. And everything is now easier for you to remember. Thank you guys for watching. If this helped you, please interact with our channel by pressing a like button, subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video.